What's up, everybody? So you made it to our funnel, and I am super excited for you. And that is because with this, you can seriously quit your day job. Don't get me wrong, that's not go out and do it right now because you found this page. That is a call to action to say if you are willing to take these steps to get ClickFunnels, to watch the webinars, learn the program, and then to do the hard work to implement it into your life, you can start building your own online business today and quit your day job. Tell the man to screw off and start living life the way that you want to live it. And the reason that I'm doing this is because I was a bit of a trouble causer, a bad boy growing up. I caught some felony charges. I would go out drinking with the fellas, and next thing you know, I would break out in handcuffs. So, because of that, I really had a hard time finding a career. People wouldn't hire me. I could get your normal average $12 an hour job right and left, but I could never land the career that I wanted that could provide me with the type of life that everybody dreams about, just be able to actually go to work, have a car, have a house, have a happy life, be able to go on vacation here and there. I couldn't do that because of the unfortunate choices that I made when I was younger. And then I found online affiliate marketing, right? And so the whole idea here is that somewhere out there in the world, somebody's selling a product. And when that product goes from the person that makes the product to the person that purchases it, somebody makes money. Now, you do not have to have your own product. You can literally step in online and be the middleman. All you have to do is create one of these funnels that ClickFunnels teaches you how to use. You go out there online, you find a product that you like, that you can relate to. You put up a funnel, you drive traffic from the internet to your funnel. Your funnel takes those people to where they can purchase the product, and then you make a commission off that product. And by doing this, I have been able to start building my own career, my own life. I no longer have to go to my day job. I no longer worry about having a career because I'm literally sitting on my computer at home doing things that I love and using them to make money. It's like the fucking coolest thing that's ever happened to me in my whole life, I swear. I'm so excited about it. You guys, the reason that I'm sharing this is because I know that there's other people out there like me. I know that there's other people who also struggle to find a career, who are getting turned down right and left because of possibly some of the choices that they made when they were younger. Now, am I saying that this will only work for you if you're the kind of person that got in trouble when you were younger and you couldn't land a sweet job? No, absolutely not. Anybody can do this. Whether you have your dream job already and you want to make some side income, or whether you are no longer interested in your career, you're looking for a different way to go, whether you like to just play around on the internet and want to make some side income, any of those things are applicable. Any type of person can do this, but really I felt like I had a moral obligation to the public out there to say, hey, all of you people that are feeling like you're still being held down in society by unseen forces that you feel like are always out against you. Well, guess what? All you got to do is what I'm telling you to do right here. It's 3 simple steps to get started. It's absolutely free. You could, in theory, do all of these things for free and start making money, within a couple days. But I want to be straight up and honest with you. That's unlikely. You need to have a little bit of willingness, dedication, and the desire to put in a little bit of elbow grease. You need to put in some hard work. If you're willing to do that, then you get all this going for free, get it set up, figure it all out, And then you'll have to pay for a few things here and there to really keep yourself going. But what is paying, a little bit of money every single month to make thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars, up to millions of dollars a year, doing what you want with your life? Like, this is so incredibly powerful. I can't tell you enough good things about it. Not only that, but I spent months digging around on the internet trying to figure it out, right? You don't have to do that. All you got to do, enter your email address below, go to the next page, download ClickFunnels, watch the webinar, download the free funnels that we're giving you for free, and then go out and find products that you like and sell them online. Start making money. It will change your life. It has the potential to change your life. That is, if you take action today. If you decide to do it now. Don't do it tomorrow. Don't do it a month from now. Start working on it now. One of the most powerful quotes that I've ever heard is from Warren Buffett. And I don't know if this is exactly it verbatim, but essentially he says, you're never going to get rich if you can't figure out a way to make money while you're asleep. And what he meant by that is, there are only so many hours in a day. You, as a human being, can only physically complete so much work. Therefore, depending on your rate of hourly pay or daily pay, monthly pay, whatever, you're capping your level of income. You can only make so much. With online marketing, that isn't the case, because you can literally have the entire process automated, right? This machine is sitting there working for you 24/7. It's never going to call in sick. It's never going to get pregnant and take 3 months off of work. None of that. And then you will be making money as you sleep. Your money will be continuing to grow. Your assets will be continuing to grow. That's the power behind this, you guys. And when I found out about it online, I was blown away. I was like, why the hell am I starting multiple businesses that require multiple hours of my attention every single day? Like, I'm burnt out. I can't frickin' do it anymore. I can't work 16 hours a day and then try to go skateboard and try to play the guitar and actually be a little bit happy. It just doesn't work. You need to figure out a way to have a passive income, an income that is making money for you while you sleep. And this process that I'm showing you right here for free is the way to do that. So, I hope that you will decide to join me on this amazing opportunity. My name is Matty Miles. You guys can check out all the stuff that I'm doing at The Matt and Mac Show on Instagram, The Matt and Mac Show on Facebook, at Matt and Mac Show on Twitter, and The Matt and Mac Show on our YouTube channel as well. I'm brand new to this. I'm just starting out, but it's already changing my life, and I guarantee that a year from now, I'll be doing another video exactly like this, and I'll be telling you about the first $1 million that I made. And all of you who watch this and don't take action, a year from now, you're gonna see another video from me online somewhere, and you're gonna kick yourself in the butt. You're gonna wish that you had 3 legs so that you could run around the block and kick yourself in the ass at the same time, because you didn't get started on building your online empire today. All right? So, enter your email address, go to the next page, download ClickFunnels, start learning it. You can hit me up at any time. Mac and I are more than happy to help you guys out, answer questions. And if you decide that this is for you, we have contacts with multi-million-dollar people who are doing this online, and we will be more than happy to share those contacts with you guys to point you in the right direction so that you can get the further training that you need to turn your income from whether it be, your 30K a year working at the local restaurant, whether it be your career choice job where you're making 60 to 80K a year, or whether it be your dream job and you're making, 6 figures plus a year. Any of those things, why would you not want to have more income, be able to go on more vacations, be able to treat your family better, be able to have more free time? Like, this is seriously a no-brainer. So, I think that's it for my rant today. You guys, put your email in. Go download all of the free stuff on the next page. It's laid out in simple 1, 2, 3 steps. I have how long each step will take you. I have what exactly each step is going to give to you. It is so simple, so easy, so free. If you don't do it, I don't even know what else to say to you. But thanks for watching this video, guys. Much love to everybody out there. I hope that I will be talking to you soon about how you got on this opportunity and started changing your future today. See ya.